And so this is how some of the parts come together. It's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. It's finding out which pieces go where. And we can see that's one of the legs and the part of the body. Of course, there's another one here. Folding it to the right position. And welding that in place. And it's more of the same with all the rest of the pieces. What fun! I'll keep you updated as I keep putting things together. Two legs and lower part of the body together. Getting there. Okay, just slowly building up that left leg. I've had to sort of chop it up and redo it. It's not quite lining up, but that's the good part about metal, is you can just change it. Alright, we'll put another piece on. There's another piece on. You can see it's starting to take shape. And check this out. Oops. Get it right. Sorry about that. Something like that. Okay, so here we go, another step. Still looking pretty rough. You can see how it's starting to build up now. Looks a bit crooked, doesn't it? Okay, so after many hours of frigging around and patching, you can see I've straightened it up somewhat. I've extended the leg. Again, yes, I know my welding is rubbish. I'm the first person to acknowledge that. You can see it's coming together. Just got a few more, all the bits are used up, but there's a couple of gaps. These things never quite line up properly. Good in theory, but a few folds and bends and patches, and we should be finished. So, yep, next up we'll show you the finished product. Okay, all done. Rough as guts, but once the rust's over, all of my little mistakes and big mistakes hopefully will be missed. And so finally we've managed to get her out to the garden, and as you can see, after a while it'll get into a nice rusty finish. And so we've got our lovely trio of ravens, or should I say menage a crow.